For this assignment, I'll ask you to be doing a little bit of reflecting on your project. Even if you're not done with the project, you're almost done and you know the things that went well and you know the things that didn't. This will be counted as a major reality check grade, so it is important that you put some thought, effort, and editing into it. So your first step is going to be to pick two of these statements. These are statements that we look at throughout the whole year. They could apply to almost any project. So read over these and you're going to be picking two of them. Once you pick the first one, let's say you pick this one, you'll go ahead and copy it, right click, copy, and you'll bring it down here. This is the one that you plan to write about. So you're going to be writing a paragraph using the details from your project and some of our vocab. So I take risks and learn from failed attempts. I want you to write about a few examples of when you tried something and it didn't work out. Maybe it was with a sensor or some of your code or a server or motor. So what did you do to get out of that? How did you learn from your failed attempts? How did you learn from those risks that you took? Remember, this is a paragraph. It needs to be some pretty good detail. If you think you can do this in 4 sentences, those better be 4 really good sentences. For this, you are going to have to use at least 4 vocab words, and you'll highlight them in the paragraph. So once you've done that, then you're going to pick another statement. Let's say you pick this one. So again, you'll copy it, you'll bring it down here, and you'll do your second one. So I keep trying even when I get stuck. So what were some parts in your project? Maybe the beginning part where you had to think about it. Maybe it was the rapid prototyping, getting it to work. So you can use some of the same vocab words that you used up here, but you do still have to use 4 words, but they can be repeats from your first paragraph. Again, if you can do this in less than 4 sentences, go ahead and try, but they better be really nice sentences. If you want to see how I'm going to grade this, this is the rubric I grade for each one of the writings. So again, a really good piece of writing uses really specific details and examples from your project. It shows a true understanding of what we were doing, and it uses the vocabulary in a correct way. So if you spend most of the block working on this, I'm totally fine with that. This is going to be for a big grade, so please spend some time on it.